In this video, I'll demonstrate how to graph a function using transformations on MyMathLab. So we have the function y equals x plus 5 quantity squared. Because this is the common function x squared, then we know the common shape of the graph is a parabola, which has a vertex at the origin 0, 0. Any movements inside of parentheses will be horizontal movements, and what you see is not what you do, so you have to do the opposite of the operation inside. So addition comes out as subtraction, and so we're going to move the parabola in the negative direction 5 units. So the first thing is to select the correct transformation. So this is going to start with the graph of y equals x squared, and we're going to shift the graph 5 units to the left. So I need to select here and type in x, and then come down to this palette of tools and select the superscript tool to type in the x squared. And then you'll check that answer, and then you'll be able to graph. So to graph the equation, we need to enlarge the graphing tool, so click this button. And then we were going to select the parabola tool, and then we're going to click. So I click and it just plots the y equals x squared graph at the 0, 0. So what we want to do is tell the graph how to do the transformations. So I want to do a horizontal shift, and we want to shift it 5 units to the left. So we're going to grab this tool and make it go to -5. So just verify that the graph is correct, that your initial points at 0, 0, 1, 1, -1, 1, which is over 1, up 1 on either side, are all correct. And you can see that the graph shifted to the left 5 units. So once I'm done with that, I hit the Save button and just confirm that the graph that you see in your answer is correctly plotted, and then check that answer before you move on.